Cracks forming in your stamped concrete patio can totally kill the vibe, but fixing them with overlay or patching compounds is way easier than you think. Okay, so first off, you gotta clean the cracked area really well. No dirt or loose bits, or the repair won't stick properly. Then, pick a patching compound that matches your patio's color and texture because you want it to blend in, not stand out like a sore thumb. When you mix the compound, follow the instructions closely. If it's too runny or too thick, it won't work right. Use a trowel to fill the cracks smoothly, pushing the compound deep in so it bonds well with the old concrete. After that, let it dry fully. This part needs patience, because rushing it can cause new cracks. If your patio surface looks uneven after patching, you can use a concrete overlay to cover the whole area, giving it a fresh and uniform look. Remember to seal the patio once everything's dry to protect against weather and stains, which helps keep cracks from coming back. Also, try to avoid heavy stuff on your patio while repairs are curing. You don't want to mess up the work. One of the biggest mistakes people make with stamped concrete crack repair is not cleaning the cracks properly before applying patching compounds, which makes the fix fail fast. Fix that by using a wire brush and maybe some water to get every bit of dirt out. Another common issue is using the wrong type of patching compound that doesn't match the texture or color of the existing patio, so it looks ugly and obvious. The easy fix here is to take a small sample of your patio to the store and find a compound that closely matches it. Lastly, lots of folks skip sealing their repaired patio, leaving it vulnerable to water damage and more cracks down the line. Just grab a good quality concrete sealer and put it on once everything's dry. It's worth it. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for steady work, BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with real clients ready to get projects done right.